Good morning, grade 8. So welcome back to our short video lesson. So today is grammar, but I'm not gonna talk in Khmer. So I will speak English for the whole video. So I hope you can learn and catch up what I'm saying. Okay. So go to point number 4, grammar focus. Simple present statements. The word statements mean sentence. So sentence in present simple. So we have two kinds of statements: the positive statements and the negative statement. Negative statements. Okay, let's go together. So here, how can we recognize the statement in present simple? No, don't open it. It's easy to recognize the sentence are simple present or not. We just look at the verb. Okay, look at the verb. Okay, the verb doesn't change, and the verb with s and es or ies, they are called present simple. Okay, let's go together. Come on. I walk to school. So walk doesn't change. So it's present simple. You ride your bike to school. He works. See, work with s. It's present simple. Near here. She takes the bus to work. It's present simple because with s. With s. We live with our parents. Live. No ed. No ed. No anything else. Is called present simple. They use public transportations. Is called present simple. This is called positive. And the next one, we have done and doesn't. It is a kind of negative statement. Okay, like I done. Okay, done, doesn't, done, and done. Okay. So done, we use done with I, we, you, they. And doesn't, we use with he, she, and it. Okay, I have told you already with the last video. Okay, let's look at that one. I don't live far from here. You don't live near here. He doesn't. Look at the word he doesn't, and the verb, should we put s? No. No s at all. Why? Because it had es already in the doesn't. Doesn't work. Here, she takes with s, but in negative, we don't put s anymore because it had doesn't already. She doesn't drive to work. We don't live alone. They don't need a car. Okay, so what I want to make sure that you understand when we use done and doesn't. Look at that one. So done is come from the word do not, the contraction. Doesn't is come from the word does not. Okay, if you talk about that one, done, we use with the subject I, you, we, and they. And does not, we use with the subject he, she, and it. Okay, so when you use in present simple, you have to be careful with the s, the es sound, and the ies, and another two part is done and doesn't. The present simple will confuse you with that kind of elements. So be careful when you use words or verbs in present simple. So hope the lesson can help you, and see you in the next video. So goodbye, have fun.